Revenge trading is destroying more traders than bad strategies. What if I told you that's exactly what is happening with most traders? And most traders don't blow their accounts because they lack skills. Yes, they blow their accounts because they can't control one emotion, just one: anger. And the scary part is that revenge trading can destroy weeks of profit in just 10 minutes. Am I saying 10 minutes? 5 minutes. One emotional trade, one impulsive entry, one attempt to win it back, and suddenly your account is gone, or your account is bleeding dangerously. So the real problem isn't always the market. No, it's not always the market. The market is not against you. It's what happens inside your mindset after a loss. And today I'm going to show you why revenge trading is one of the most dangerous habits in forex and how professional traders avoid it completely. Are you ready? See, most traders think revenge trading starts after losing money, but that's not actually true. It doesn't start that moment. It starts the moment your emotions become stronger than your trading plan. You take one loss, then you suddenly feel frustrated. You suddenly feel impatient, desperate to recover, angry at the market. And instead of waiting for a proper setup, which is very wrong for you to be angry at the markets, you see, you cannot be angry against what is bigger than you. You now start forcing entry. You increase lot size, you ignore confirmations, and start trading emotionally. And that's why some traders lose an entire account in one day. Not because the strategy stopped working, but because discipline disappeared. And here is a shocking truth. Most traders don't even realize that they are revenge trading while it's happening. They call it recovering losses. One more trade, catching an opportunity. But in reality, it's emotional gambling disguised as trading. Oh, come on. You see, what do you do to stop revenge trading? Number one, accept that losses are normal. They are part of the game. It's something every professional knows before entering the game. Losses are part of trading. Every professional trader loses trades. The difference is professionals lose with control or decency, while beginners take losses personally and recklessly. Check their account history, you will see the difference. They feel like every losing trade means failure, but trading is in probabilities, not perfection. And if you cannot handle small losses emotionally, the market will humble you financially with losses. So the first step to stop revenge trading is simple. Stop expecting to win every trade. Is disaster waiting to happen. Step number two, never trade immediately after a loss. This one rule can save your account after a major loss. Step away, take a walk, take a prayer walk, however you want to do it. We'll see a movie. Don't touch the charts emotionally after a loss because the market can sense desperation. When emotions are high, decision making becomes very weak. Discipline disappears. Risk management gets ignored completely. So create a rule for yourself. After 2 consecutive losses, stop trading for the day, if that's what you can manage. So yes, seriously, 2 trades and that's in loss, stop trading for the day. That pause can protect you from catastrophic mistakes. Step number 3, reduce loss size after losses. Most revenge traders do the exact opposite. Lose one trade, then they double their loss size trying to recover quickly. That's account suicide waiting to happen. Professional traders reduce risk during emotional periods. Why, you may ask? Because emotional trading and high risk are a deadly combination. So if you notice frustration building while you are trading, what do you do? Lower your loss size immediately. You are not trying to impress the market or impress anybody. You are trying to survive the market long enough to become a consistently profitable trader. Step number 4, follow a pre-planned system. A pre-planned system. Revenge trading becomes powerful when there is no structure. That's why every trader needs rules before entering the market. Let your rules be so obvious. Here are a few practical trade management rules I would like to give to you. Number 1, set maximum number of trades per day. Set maximum daily loss per day. Number 3, set fixed percentage per trade. 4, set clear entry confirmations. Number 5, set a rule when to stop trading. The trading rules should control you when emotions cannot. Because in forex, discipline beats motivation every single time. Step number 5, understand this shocking truth and you'll be fine. See, this is what most traders don't know. The money market does not care that you lost money. It owes you nothing. That mindset shift changes everything. But many traders enter revenge mode because they believe the market must pay them back. It's wrong. The market owes you nothing. And the money market is not emotional. So when you trade emotionally against an unemotional market, you lose every single time, again and again. See, most professional traders think in probabilities, but beginners think emotionally and erratically. And that difference changes outcomes immediately. Step number 6, journal every emotional trade. This is one of the most underrated habits in trading. Your emotional trades, start documenting them. Why you entered, how you felt when you entered, whether the trade followed your plan, what triggered the emotional decision. Those 4 things. Because patterns reveal problems, and once you identify emotional triggers like that, you can start controlling them. Awareness is the first step to discipline. Are you with me? Awareness is the first step to discipline. So here's a quick recap. To avoid revenge trading, accept losses normally. Stop trading emotionally after losses. 3, reduce loss size during frustration. 4, follow strict trading rules. 5, think in probabilities. 6, journal every emotional mistake, because revenge trading is not a strategy problem, it's an emotional control problem. And until a trader masters his emotion, no strategy will save them. No strategy will save them. If this video exposed some habits you've been struggling with, then you're in the good place to be, because awareness is the beginning of transformation. And the strongest traders are not the ones who never lose. No, they are the ones who stay disciplined after many losses. And on this channel, we don't just teach forex entries, we teach the psychology that keeps traders alive for a very long time. And if you want to become disciplined, more principled, emotionally controlled, and consistently profitable, subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment below. I can control my emotions, because the moment you master your emotions, that very moment you stop trading like the crowd and start thinking like a professional trader. Thank you so much for joining me. Catch you in the next video. Blessings. Cheers.